Hi, my name is Jillian Laracella, and I'm enrolled in Edit 4020 Technology for Innovation in the Workplace. And this is my tool report one. So, the app that I want to use for my project, it was actually suggested by my professor, Dr. Clinton, in class. It's called the Buildfire app, and I want to use it to create my project for this class, which is an app specifically for runners. Um, and from my personal experience, I use a bunch of different components and technology when I go for runs, and so I want to be able to combine that all into one app. And so while I was looking for different tools to use for this project, I found that Buildfire really introduces how to create an app and like the different steps in that process because it's something that I've never personally had to do before. So it was good to be able to watch the introduction and how to onto how to make an app. So this app particularly, I learned the importance of plugins in an app, which I didn't even consider in the first place for my app. But so while watching or while going through this app specifically, I learned how to install plugins into my own app, and it's really simple. While using Buildfire, you use a control panel, and then you can just add plugins, and they have a list of suggested plugins, such as like YouTube, Google, those sort of things that you can easily have access to. And that's actually specifically very important for my own project because I need to be able to access music libraries or different, like Spotify, Apple Music, different resources that I use personally as a runner to all incorporate into my running app. Um, so, and the importance of these plugins, it kind of gives the app like functionality and allows it to access different sites and to utilize, more than just what one app would offer. So that was cool to see and very easy and straightforward to use through this app. So I found that I liked that a lot about this app, just like the ease and straightforwardness of it, and specifically telling me what to do. Also, I really liked how I can customize the price of the Buildfire because it is pretty expensive per month and annually, but you can specify what components of Buildfire you want to use to make your own app, which was really interesting to me. So you can customize your own price, or there is a free version available that gives you access to a lot that Buildfire has to offer. So that was really cool to see as well. So I think this would be a really vital aspect to my project, and I'm excited to use it and see how it influences my app and how it helps, combine all those components like I was talking about that'll be so necessary through those plugins.